Today, let's talk about the stem cell neck treatment. This is a treatment where we help people fix their cervical spine. It's a really common injury. A lot of people get neck pain from a lot of different reasons. Some people whiplash. Some people from just sitting at their desk all day. And they call it nerd neck. And you're looking down their table at your tablet all day, it starts hurting the neck. Some people just get it from working out too hard. There's all kinds of different reasons it can happen. But at the end of the day, pain is pain and people want to fix it. So what you'll see here is I just did the neck treatment. It's been over 2 years since I last did it. And back then I had to do it. I hurt my neck. I was being dumb with one of those old school kind of Arnold isolation bars that you use and it wraps around your neck. I'm doing curls and just popped my neck. Gave myself a herniated disc by doing some bad heavy movements. Not a good idea. So did the MRI, found out, yep, herniated disc here in the neck, need to fix that. So we did the stem cells, just like you're going to see me do here again. 4 shots at 25 million. They're intramuscular. We get asked about this a lot because there's a couple different ways to go about it. We found that intramuscular injections are the best. In the past, we did do intradiscal injections, but that never worked as well as by going around the disc. And the reason why is that when you go to bed, your back decompresses and you actually wake up slightly taller than you went to sleep. And everybody should look into this because there's lots of good stretches you can do before bed to help extend the spine so that you wake up a bit taller. And over time, that can actually add to like preventing you from shrinking as we age because everybody's getting a little bit smaller, a little bit shorter, bones are getting smaller, organs, all these things. And if you do the work, you can really slow that down or even prevent it. And if you're doing it with stem cells, you've got the highest chance because at night, your discs, as they decompress, you can rehydrate those discs. So with the herniated disc, the advantage is the whole disc is still there. We just need to get it back into its normal size and shape. And you can do that with the guidance of the stem cells, with some really good stretching protocols, and we can get you pain-free. So I didn't do any of those stretches when mine hurt. I just did the injections and waited. And I wish I had done more stretching and done more of these exercises because it took about 5 months before the pain went away. But at 5 months, the pain was gone and it was like overnight. And it was bad. It almost felt like it was getting worse over that time. I felt like, oh, what's going on? The stem cells have fixed so many other things for me. This one's not going to work. But no, right at month 5, it stopped hurting and it hasn't hurt since. In fact, I didn't have to do treatment today. It didn't hurt at all. But I would have some time off where I'm not going to be able to work out for a few weeks because of a genetic heart condition that I had to get fixed. So I've got some time off and I figured, let's do some maintenance. So we did my neck, did my lower back, did my knees today, doing the IV, which is part of the neck treatment. And we do that because there's so many muscles here that help support the neck. We found that if people don't do the IV, well, they can hurt themselves again. Doesn't mean they're going to, but a lot of people, when they start feeling better, start pushing it too hard too soon. And we found that the people that did the IV were getting longer, better lasting results than those that didn't. It was that simple, so we made it the standard protocol. And look, we're always working on our protocols, trying to make them better if it's possible. But we've been doing this for, about 8 years now, and we've really got it dialed in. We know what doses to do, we know what treatments to do, and we don't guess. We do MRIs for all of our treatments, so you can see exactly what's going on, know what's wrong, make sure that we're treating it right, and making sure it's appropriate, because there are things stem cells can't fix. If it's a herniated disc, it's causing stenosis, which means it's a bit shorter than it should be. That we can fix because the disc is still there. But if it's just degenerative disc disease, we might be able to slow or stop the progression, but we're not going to be able to get those discs higher if the disc isn't still there. With the herniated disc, it's still there, it's just not in the right place. If the disc really is degenerative, it's got really bad stenosis, we can stop it or prevent it from getting worse, but there does hit a point where there's not much else we can do. And that's when people start looking into spinal fusions and things. So there is a limit. So it's always better to catch these things early than to wait. And that's part of why I did this too. I've hurt my neck before. I don't ever want to hurt it again. So I'm being preventative, making sure that I'm on track to stay as healthy as possible, keep myself pain-free. Longevity is a goal. I'm not saying I want to live to, over 100 years old, especially not if I have to look and feel like most 100-year-olds, but I want to make sure as far as I go, I am as mobile as possible, I'm as capable as possible, feeling good, not in pain, and just loving life. So that's why I do this. That's why we try to help people with the stem cells. And if you'd like to learn more, get a hold of us. You can check out our website at www.dreambody.clinic. Scroll down on the homepage. You'll see all the treatments listed. You'll see the cervical spine treatment. I think we have it listed as a neck treatment. Click on that. All the information's there, studies. You can see tons of testimonials of patients that have done this and healed themselves, and a lot more. You can also call us toll free anytime at 888-704-3977. I'm Josh. Happy to help.